Good morning. My name is Bas. I am from the Netherlands. I'm Dutch, not Deutsch, Dutch. Don't say Guten Morgen. You say Goedemorgen to me. So, well, as you all noticed, the world is going crazy. And now here in Mykolaiv, where I live, the weather is going crazy too. I don't know if you can see it, but the OPSEC is not a problem now, because all my windows are blocked with snow. We have a blizzard here, and it's the 11th of April, which is, kind of unexpected. I'll show you how it looks like.
I get right on the pad.
Jesus, Loa.
Look at the tree!
Look how much snow is on my car.
Look at the tree! Wait, I'll take the snow off. I'll take the snow.
Jesus. What the heck? It's the 11th of April. Makes no sense. So yeah, it's a little weird. I was going to bring my wife to work, but we have to go up hills, and the trucks got stuck on the hills and could not get up, so they blocked the road. So I had to go back because I have to work too. So yeah, it makes no sense. So and then next week they actually expected 22 degrees Celsius, which is like how. Other news. 2 nights ago, we were attacked by shaheds. I actually heard him fly past our house, which is kind of scary. What you gonna do? You lay in bed and listen to the distance booms and the PPO, which is the air defense, going. And then now and then you hear like, and which is very scary. And then I heard the shahed fly by my window, and I recorded before a short about how it sounds, shahed. It normally used to be like, I'm sorry if this is gonna sound annoying. It normally sounds like like a moped, like a one cylinder thingy. But now it sounded way different. It sounded more like. So I think that might be the reason that it's now harder to shoot them down. I guess they have new engines from China. They almost sounded electric, but I guess if it's electric, you cannot really hear it. But it sounded completely weird. So I think this is the reason why it's now harder to shoot them down, and they I guess with the new engines it sounds like it has more power, and it probably can go higher now. So what they do when they attack cities en masse, for example Odessa, they fly up really high. They first hang around the Black Sea, because we are all connected to the Black Sea, coastal cities, and then they go really high, and then they fly towards their targets, and then just like drop like this, which gives them a huge speed, and it makes them really hard to shoot down, because even if you shoot them down, they're almost above the target, above the city, and also when they're really high, it's very hard to shoot them down. So the shahed stuff has changed a bit. I hope we can hit them and maybe do something with the Chinese, because they're a bunch of bastards giving Russia all this new stuff. Anyway, so that's me. Yeah, I'm gonna go nowhere with the car because yeah, it's too much snow. And I wish you all a nice day. Have a good week. It's almost Saturday. Always a good time. And I'll try to make more movies, but I'm so busy with the kids and the work. Anyway, so Slava Ukraini, Heroim Slava, and bye.